Hi all, I hope you guys are doing well. So today we are going to solve this eighth problem, best time to buy and sell stock, part 2. So in the last video, we were solving best time to buy and sell stock. And today we are going to solve part 2. So let me open this question and see what they are asking. So in this question, we have given one prices array and also they are asking us to return a maximum profit. Only the difference is here they have given one extra condition. So we need to understand this extra condition and then we will write a solution. So let's see what they're saying. On each day, you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can only hold at most one share of the stock at any time. However, you can buy it, then immediately sell it on the same day. Okay. So let's now try to understand this and then we will solve this question. So what input we have given? We have given 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4. In the previous question, we were finding the days, and here we don't have to find the days exactly, but here the condition is uh, you can buy and sell on the same day also. But if you do the if you buy and sell on the same day, we will not make any profit, right? If you buy in 7 rupees and at the evening if you sell in the 7 rupees, you will not make any profit, right? So max profit will always zero in this in that scenario, right? Max profit will always be zero. So what we can do, we can use a greedy algorithm here. We will buy and then sell, we will buy and then sell, we will buy and then sell. That way we will do. So if I buy today in 7 rupees and sell in 1 rupees, then I'll be in the loss, right? How much? Minus 6, right? Now if I buy on this day, if I buy on this day and sell on another day, like if you buy in 1 rupees and sell in 5 rupees, you will be in the profit, 4 rupees profit, right? Now third day if you buy in 5 rupees and on fourth day if you sell in 3 rupees, you will be in the loss, right? Minus 2. And here if you buy on this day in 3 rupees and in immediately next day if you sell, we will be in the profit of 3 rupees, right? 6 minus 3, 3. And then again if you buy in 6 rupees and sell in 4 rupees, in the loss, we will be in the loss, minus 2. So see, what we have to do, we have to calculate maximum profit we can make, and we can clearly see if we sum this, if we sum this, we will get our profit, right? 7 is the profit. So on second day if you buy and third day if you sell, and again fourth day if you buy and fifth day if you sell, and if you see the profit, it should be 7, right? Buy on second day, sell on third day, buy on fourth day and sell on fifth day, and if you calculate profit and sum those profits, 7, right? And that's what we are also calculating. So it's very simple. We will use a greedy algorithm, we will run a for loop, and so but only one condition we need to apply. That's the one only condition we need to apply in this question, and we will then able to solve this. So if you see this closely, when we are making a profit, current price, when current price is less than previous price, right? Sorry, if current price is less than previous price, then you will be in the loss, right? But if current price is greater than previous price, then you are making a profit, right? When current price, like let's say it's a third day price is 5, which is greater than previous price, then you're making a profit. Like this is a current price, imagine it's 6 rupees and previous day was 3 rupees. So if current price is greater than previous day, then you're making a profit. So that's the only condition. Current day price, like price is I, if it is greater than price is I minus, if price is I minus 1, simply then add we will calculate a max profit and add into the max profit, right? Let me write the solution, then you will be easily able to understand. So initially our profit will be 0, okay, and initially my buy price will be on very first day, whatever the price is initially. Now I'll run a for loop, I less than prices dot length. And this is a greedy algorithm. Every day we are buying and then selling on an immediate next day. S- So what I'm saying, just a one condition, if current day price, current day price is greater, if today's price is greater than previous day price, it means I'll make a profit, right? I'll make a profit. It now, right? How? So what current makes profit plus what is my today's price? Today's price minus previous day, right? That's all. And if I return this, this is going to be my answer, right? So this is a medium difficulty level question, but if you see the solution, this is quite easy, right? Accept it and it beats 100%. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching this.